SHANMON 388T Backhoe loader adopts more international components, including the Italian Carraro axles, Carraro transmission box, Weichai or Cummins diesel engine compared to the 388. Carraro axles adopts wet drive brakes, resulting in higher driving speed and more flexible operation. The SHANMON 388T Backhoe loader has 4 forward gears and 4 reverse gears, and the travel speed is 38 km per hour, with multi-purpose bucket and variable attachments. The SHANMON 388T Backhoe loader is very suitable for road construction and maintenance, including earth-moving, digging trenches, and for foundations, pipelines, drainage ditches, and other underground facilities, and can be used for temping, crushing, milling, and many other purposes when equipped with attachments.